Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. It's been a long time. I shoot videos. Yeah, it's been a week though, but that seems a very long time for me. Thank you all for choosing to watch this video. And I believe this video is going to really help you to be mindful and aware of anything in every situation you find yourself in. Today's episode is going to be about mindfulness and awareness. Let's all master the art of mindfulness and how awareness can transform our lives. Now, there's a popular trend everywhere that says very demure, very mindful, very demure, very mindful. We are all enjoying this trend, and I really use them. I've been enjoying that trend as well. And I know if you haven't heard of it, you've heard it today, and I know you have been also using that very demure, very mindful trend that's everywhere. And today episode we are going to master what that saying is about. That demure, that mindful we all talk about. What is it about? And being mindful and demure in every situation you find yourself in is going to help you to become that best version of yourself. Because this channel is all about being our best version, focusing on ourselves and enjoying every bit of our lives. So the first one I have here is, what is mindfulness and awareness? In my own terms, in my own simple terms, I would say mindfulness and awareness is paying attention on purpose to the things that is happening to you or to the situation that you find yourself in. So right now I'm shooting this video. I'm mindful because I am aware of what I'm doing now. I am not autopilot. I am not on autopilot. Autopilot means that while I'm shooting this video, at the same time, my focus is not here and I'm thinking of something different in my mind. I'm thinking of food I'm going to prepare this evening. I'm thinking of school I'll be going. I'm thinking of the dress I'll be wearing to church. That's not mindfulness. So mindfulness is paying attention on purpose, paying attention to the moment you are in, knowing every details that makes that moment is all what mindfulness and demure is about. So please start doing things mindfully. Don't be doing things autopilot. You are watching something on your phone whilst you are eating. You are not focused on how the food tastes. You are just eating in hurry to do something else. That's not what mindfulness is about. Now, why do we need mindfulness and awareness in our daily lives? The benefit of mindfulness and awareness is one, it reduces anxiety and stress. Yes, mindfulness helps to reduce anxiety and stress because the moment I am recording this video, I am mindful. We all human beings and we all have something that bothers us, something that make us stress. But at this moment I'm shooting my video, I am focused on only my video and I'm not thinking of any worries that's in my life, and this is making me mindful. This is helping me to reduce my stress. This is helping me not to think of my stress. So mindfulness helps us to reduce our stress. You can practice mindfulness when you are sad. You can just focus on something beautiful that has happened to you before by reflecting on that beautiful moment that has happened to you before, focusing on that, paying attention only to that one, not thinking of anything. And practicing mindfulness will help you to reduce stress and anxiety. It also makes you focused and productive. When you are mindful, you do things well, in the right time, in the right place, in the right moment, in the right quantity. So when you are mindful, you do things you produce more effort, you give out good result because you are focused, because you are aware of what you are doing, you are not on autopilot. Now another thing that help us, that mindfulness help us, is better decision making and emotional regulations. Mindfulness help us to regulate our emotions. Right now that a motorcycle just passed by my house, I'm very mindful because I am not focusing on that cycle that just passed. I would have stopped my camera and start all over again. But in this situation, I am very particular with how I'm feeling. Of course, the noise that just passed by my house wasn't making me feel good because I'm doing video. I'm doing the video and this noise just passed by, giving me a background noise, which I want my videos to be of high quality, but this noise just passed. So I know I didn't like it, and my emotions is I wasn't happy about it. Now, because I'm mindful and I'm aware of what I want my emotions to always be, that's being mindful on my emotions. I know this is nothing and I'm just letting it go. So practice mindfulness in every aspect of your life. And if you are watching me to this part of the video, thank you so much. Let me know how you practice mindfulness in the comment section. Another simple mindful practice that you can do every day is 1 minute breathing exercise. I really love this 1 minute breathing exercise because when you are angry and you just get some place and you just breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out for about a minute. It makes you become so good, and that's a practice that make you mindful. Another one I have here is practice silence. Sometimes you just don't need to talk. You just don't need to think of anything. All you need to is just be in a quiet place. Think only good things. Be mindful that I am in a quiet place and I'm not thinking of anything. And this will also help you because it's a practice that will help you to be mindful. Now, being silent is not only about being in a quiet place. Being silent can also be silence in your mind. So I read Thich Nat's book that says that's how to practice mindfulness. It says that you are in a very noisy environment, but you can still practice silence. That's the art of mindfulness. So while you are in the noisy place, don't put your mind on that noise that's all around you, but be aware in the moment that you are in and focus on yourself. Be quiet in your own place. Sometimes I'll be in a place and I'll be quiet like this and I'll be just there. You would think I'm paying attention to what you are saying or the noise around. I'm enjoying the noise around, but no, I'm very quiet within me, thinking of something beautiful moment or dreaming of something that I think I can achieve. So practicing mindfulness will help you, make you happy, reduce anxiety, make you productive. Another practice that you can also practice as mindfulness is being calm. That's why whenever I'm shooting videos, I would really love that my videos are so calm, no noise. That also helped me to be mindful when I'm making the videos. But in this case, I'm making videos and I don't even know when or how the noise will just flash. So being calm would help you also be mindful. When you are eating, be calm eating it. When you are talking, be calm talking it. Even when you are happy or when you are shouting, you have a calm way of doing it. So in everything that you do, be calm, and that's also mindfulness, especially when someone is making you irritated. I've been in that phase. It's like this comes, this goes, this comes, and I was like, is it because I'm trying to learn how to be mindful and how to solve my problems? That's why more problems comes. Because whenever I'm done with this, another one comes. So growing up, I just learned that problems will never stop coming. When I was a kid, I just think after solving this problem, I'll be done with it. No problem is coming again. But growing up, I just realized how this life is full of problems. But I choose how to react to those problems. So become in every situation you are, and that's called very mindful, very genial. Another one I have here is mindful activities. Mindful activities like reading a book, mindful activities like listening to podcasts, mindful activities like listening to slow music, focusing, being aware of the situation you are in. All these are mindful practices that you can learn to do in your daily life activities. Now, developing self awareness can be in different ways, and one way is through reflection. I really love reflecting in the moment that has happened to me. You will just have some moment with yourself, and sometimes you're even reflecting without even knowing that that's reflection because you're not mindful of it. So sometimes you are there, you just reflecting on some past event that happens to you that made you felt very bad. Practicing mindfulness would help you through developing reflection behaviors. Sometimes you are there, reflect on what happens to you when you are writing that exams. That also help you to develop your mindfulness. Another one that help you to develop mindfulness is about journaling. Journaling is about writing things down. I really love them. Yes, so writing things down will also help you to be mindful, and seeking feedback from trusted friends or colleagues with the behavior you put up, with some actions you made, also help you to be mindful because you will be aware that this behavior I put up wasn't good, and I won't repeat that again. So you are practicing mindfulness and awareness in every situation you find yourself in. A correct example is when you are praying. You see, sometimes when you are praying and at the same time you'll be thinking of something else. It's like you are praying, you are talking, but your mind is not on that prayer because you are not practicing mindfulness. So know how to practice mindfulness. Learn, repeat this video many times. Learn how mindfulness you can develop them and know the importance and everything about it. Now, how mindfulness and awareness can improve your relationship, either being mother to daughter relationship, father to daughter relationship, mother to father relationship, husband to wife relationship, and many relationship. Now, being present in the conversation. When you are mindful and awareness in your relationships, it helps you to be present whenever you're having conversation with the opposition. Opposition is the receiver or the sender, because in every communication we have a receiver and a sender. And if you want to know things you need to avoid when you are communicating with others, I have the video on the channel so you can check them out. I'll put the link in the description box down below so you check them out to watch things that you don't need to say, do when you are communicating with others. Now, coming back to what I am giving you guys here is, it helps you to be present in conversations. When you are mindful, you are aware that you are having this conversation with this person and you are not talking or you are not thinking of anything. You will be talking with someone who asks you, where was I? And you don't even know where the person was because you are not mindful in that talking. Also, mindful can improve your relationship by one, listening without thinking about your response. When you are talking with someone and you are not listening to them, then that's a very bad behavior. Now, mindfulness will help you to listen to them without you giving no or thinking of your response. So practice mindfulness and it will really help you, because I will testify it has really helped me. Now, notice how your words and actions affect others. Pausing before reacting in conflict. Now, this is all that mindfulness and awareness can help you. So that popular trend that you say a lot, like very demure, very mindful. This is what mindfulness and awareness is about. Practice mindfulness and awareness. Mindfulness and awareness is not big, huge thing. Even listening to me now, are you on autopilot? Yes, so you should be mindful, focus on the words I'm giving out, understand them, ingrain them, implant them. That's also another way of practicing mindfulness. If you get that anger within you, if you get that sadness within you, practice the ways that I taught you in this video, how to practice mindfulness and get back on track. If you watch me to this part of the video, thank you so much, and let me know you in the comment section as well. If you like this video too, please do well to hit the bell icon and join the community. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you won't miss any information we put out here. And if you also like this video if you also like this video, please do well to give this video a thumb up. That's another way of helping me for my video to also know that I'm doing good things for someone out there to watch me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please stay very, very focused and enjoy your life. Practice mindfulness wherever you go, and you will testify about it. Carnival Edge, deep insight, then real success. Bye.